And ChatGPT was able to make this simulation of a flocking behavior in birds. Yeah, that's the original image from the paper. That looks pretty much like this, except in, well, obviously this is new. This is just JavaScript only, so you can download all the code from the page itself. In this case, you can add the number of Boids. I don't know what they call Boids. They called Boids in the original paper. Yes, they are. Bird-oid. It's only stuff that you see in old papers. This paper refers to this simulated bird-like bird-oids objects generically as boids, even when they represent other sorts of creatures such as schooling fish. Okay, so they are boids. I was wondering where it took that. I thought it's the author's last name or something, but no, it's what they coined this term in the paper. Originally, when ChatGPT did this simulation, every time you change the counter for the number of boids, it was re-rendering, redrawing the whole canvas. Now it's actually adding and subtracting the boids, so they appear and disappear, which is obviously much nicer. Yeah, we had this problem somewhere else as well. Yes, you can control your separation, can be like grouped together like that. Alignment is an interesting one. Cohesion, let's do more separation so we can actually see. Yeah, cohesion and alignment is a bit similar. You can do it faster, slower. It's cool. Goes all the way to 0.1, doesn't go to 0. Yes, some effects you don't actually see unless you speed the simulation up. And again, all the code is on the page. Go check it out. Yeah, we love old papers like this. If you have, it's called emergent behavior. Is essentially when you have basic rules, basic algorithm, but it feels as if it coming to life. Yes, this is not Blender. This is, well, obviously 2D, so you don't need Blender for that. Even though we do have 3D simulations now as well, which are also done in JavaScript, not Blender. A JavaScript, whatever library is used, so you get this Blender-like structures. Can select the type of block, change its color. It's it is using a proper physics, simulation to do all the gravity stuff and how the blocks are moving on the screen. There's meant to be an option to rotate. Well, you can rotate the whole thing, zoom in and out. You can see what the resolution is like. Yeah, it's not great, but that's good enough. Can you do? Surprisingly, they're not falling off the canvas. Yeah, this one meant to go. This one meant to go, but it's still there. So obviously, yeah, lots of things that can be done with this. Now you can move with control, moving the mouse. So it's using 3.js and this Cannon library for your physics stuff, and all the code is there.